In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect Wise to Freshbooks. This connection can help you manage payments in a smoother way, especially when you are working with invoices and expenses in Freshbooks. I will guide you through each step clearly so you can follow along right on your screen. Start by logging into freshbooks.com. Make sure you are signing into the correct account that you use for your billing and accounting work. Once you are logged in, take a moment to look at the main dashboard area because the next action depends on having access to your settings and integrations. Next, click on Bank Connections. This is where FreshBooks manages connections to banking or financial services. If you do not see it right away, check for a menu area related to settings or integrations, and then select Bank Connections when you locate it. The goal here is to reach the exact screen where you can add a new integration safely. Now you will click Add New Connection. This step tells FreshBooks that you want to create a fresh link to another service. You should see a prompt or a setup page appear. Take a moment here to confirm that you are on the right setup screen, because choosing the correct service at the next step is what makes the connection work properly. Then search for and select Wise. On the screen, you will likely see a search field. Type Wise into the search box, and then choose Wise from the results. This selection is important because FreshBooks needs to know which provider you are trying to connect. If you see multiple options that look similar, be sure the one you select is the Wise option, so the correct authorization flow opens. After that, click Continue to open the Secure Authorization page. You should notice that the page changes to a secure sign-in and approval step. This is normal and expected. The Secure page is where you will confirm the connection between FreshBooks and your Wise account. Take your time here and do not navigate away because you will need to complete authorization to finish setup. Now you will log into your Wise account, expenses, and invoices. On the authorization page, you will be asked to sign in to Wise. Follow the prompts exactly as they appear, entering the credentials required for your Wise account. Then you will be guided to select the permissions related to expenses and invoices. This is the part that ensures FreshBooks can access the right information from Wise for your accounting and record keeping. Once you have completed the Wise sign-in and granted the appropriate access, return to FreshBooks if it does not automatically bring you back. At this point, FreshBooks should recognize the connection and finalize the setup. If the screen shows a status like connected or authorized, that is the confirmation you are looking for. Finally, take a moment to review that the connection is active in the Bank Connections area. This helps ensure everything is working as intended before you move on with your ongoing work in FreshBooks. If you ever need to revisit the connection, this is where you would come back to manage it. And that covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.